Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is a very nice day, and I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil in this Craftsman lawnmower. I bought this one about 8 years ago. I think it was 2016. This is a very good engine, a Briggs and Stratton engine right here. It's an engine made in the USA, and yeah, this is the Briggs and Stratton Platinum 7.25 163cc engine. And look at the label right here. It just say that just check and add, never change the oil. Now I don't believe in that. I've been changing oil in this lawnmower regularly every year. So, and it's been really good to me. 8 years already, still start perfectly and no problem at all. So let's the first thing we need to do is just start the lawnmower to loosen up the oils. So just start up the lawnmower about 2-3 minutes to let it loosen up the oil. Alright, that's the first thing we need to do, just loosen up the oil. And then so I'm doing this in my garage right here, so make sure you have a piece of cardboard to put on the bottom. You don't want the oil spill all over the garage floor. So just put a piece of cardboard, and this piece of rag. If you don't want oil all over your hand, a pair of gloves. And to catch the oil, I use a paint tray, metal paint tray, and you can buy this liner right here, paint tray liner. It's a little plastic like this, very cheap. Just put on top of it, and after you finish, just toss it away. Just toss the liner away, so nothing dirty, nothing getting dirty to the paint tray, like that. Okay, no tool needed. All right, I put on my gloves. This is a dipstick right here. Remove the dipstick right here. And look at the dirt on top of the dipstick right here. Make sure you wipe it off. Wipe off the dirt around the where you put the dipstick right here. Go to the left side of the lawnmower, and then with your hand just lift it up like that, and then tip it over, and now the oil is coming out now. It could take a couple minutes. Just tip it a little more. You want to get all the oil out as much as possible. You're not going to get every drop out of the engine, but you want as much as possible out of there. Okay? Still dripping? Just let it continue to drip until you don't see any drip anymore. Just the complete oil change shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. It's so easy to do. I usually do oil change for my lawnmower in the springtime. That's good enough. It's easy to do. Look how dirty the oil is. See, very dirty. So according to the label on top of the engine there, say just check and add oil. Never have to change oil on this one, but don't believe that. Look at how dirty it is. So you gotta change it every year. Oil is pretty cheap. So what kind of oil does it use? So you can go this and buy the Craftsman 4-cycle lawnmower oil, SA This is the recommended one right here, the recommended SAE 10W-30. So that's the recommended oil you can use. If you don't want to pay a little expensive for this Craftsman oil, just buy any car oil that's that say 10W-30. That will do. Or you can also use this too. This is a car oil right here. You can use a synthetic one, the SAE 5W30. You can use that one too, but most of the time I just use this right here, the 10W30. That's what you need. Need a funnel. That's it. Just pour it in the oil and then right there, just pour it in. That's the dipstick right here. There's two holes right here, the top and the bottom. Just check it so the oil level is in between there. If it's in between there, that's mean the bottom one right here. So the bottom hole, that means just the minimum, and the top hole is the maximum you can put the oil. So as long as in between there, you're good to go. So oh, the oil levels in between there, that's good. Now, that's the lawnmower. That's it, and check the oil level one more time after you start the it's good. So this is how you change oil in a Craftsman lawnmower. It's so easy. You don't need any tool at all. No tool needed. As it takes about 10 minutes the most. And you should do this every year. Usually I do it in the springtime. That's when I start to do a lot of cutting, grass cutting. So, one thing I forgot to mention, this Craftsman lawnmower doesn't have any oil filter, no oil filter. So, yeah. So if you have any question why I don't change oil filters, so this one doesn't have one. And but it does have air filter right here. So air filters on the left side right here, this compartment right here. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. I'm gonna go to Ace store or something like that and go get a new one. It's pretty dirty. All you need to do is just shake it a little bit. Right here, it's probably still good. Shake it, all the debris off. Sometimes grass get in there. Just shake it off, you know, and then just clean around there. Take a rag and just clean around there, and that's it. I just put it back, and like I said, I'm gonna go buy a new one. So yeah, might as well replace it when after you did an oil change. So just replace it. Okay, so I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.